Hello, today we're gonna be doing Piggy glitches, and I'm in my VIP server right now, and set map, let's just try and find a glitch in, let's do a glitch, and I'm doing multiple parts to this, so let's do mall first. So now we just gotta wait. Okay, I have no idea what's gonna happen. So we're doing mall. Mall. So there's a few glitches in mall, but I want to do the one where you can get back in it. So hopefully this thing is not that bad. So remember, 50 subscribers and a face reveal's coming. And okay, Zizzy, you can just drop us off and then you can leave, please. Okay, that's the no. Okay, so first one is zoom. Like you go like here, then you go here, and then just zoom in and hold S, and then you're out here. And now I want to go back in. I want to do more. I want more, but I'm gonna have to find the orange key for this next one. Actually. Or we can get into the wall, and it won't be that hard, and we can just do this. Okay, this is not intended. Oh god. Okay. Are you serious? Okay, I got it. Orange key, do not fail me. Boom. There. Okay, now we gotta do this without the bot killing us. I'm gonna do multiple parts to this. And I could do every map if you like. And I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm gonna have to get out of here. Robbie, please, you don't have to do this, you don't have to do this, my boy. 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 Okay, so once I see the door, okay, I might as well have to go now. I might have to go now, because I forgot about Mousy. But this one, I don't think we can get back in. Dang it. But there's like obbies back there. Let's just do a different map. Chapter 1. I know a glitch on this one. So, this is not gonna be the best glitch. I mean, at least we can get back in from the glitch, but I know a glitch. I know actually a few on this map. I know the fly glitch in the backyard, the outside the map. So let's just do I don't know, thingy. Boom. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So we got this. This thing is gonna be awesome. So the Piggy glitch video is you have to be in R6 and your character has to look like this right here. Okay, so we got this, and so we go right here, and then we and it teleports you random places, and then and then you're supposed to get in the wall, and then you squeeze out. I've done this before. Oh, yeah. No. Yes. Now it's time to get back in the map. And cha-ching. If I teleport off the map. Oh god. Please no. Dang it. Okay, I can turn up the game audio at least. Well, we're gonna do a few more glitches and the video's gonna be ended, so, chapter 11, I guess, I don't know. And then, that should be good. I'll lower the volume just one tiny bit. Okay, that's good. Okay. Hopefully this is a good sign, because we're going to be playing this chapter right here. Right here. Come on. Come on. Come on. What? Okay. I forgot I'm the only one on the server. Tomorrow's video, I think I know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to download a screen recorder on my phone. Wait, I can't do that yet. I gotta show my face for it. Never mind. Once I do a face reveal, the next video is gonna be, you guys will just see. But after this recording, I am gonna download a screen recorder for it, and then, we're gonna do. Okay, so first one, we need the blue key. Aha! So you can go outside the map right here, but I want to do fly glitch first because you can get out of it. And then you can glitch in the exit. Ah! Somebody! Help! I did it. And then there's also this one right here. You go up to this pole and then you zoom in and hold S. Zoom. Okay, I'm gonna have to give Pony the carrot. Pony, do something and do not kill a soldier. Finally, you did something right. So first things first, Zizzy! We gotta go right here, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it works right here. Yay! And now we're behind here. And then you just kaboom. Kaboom. I want back. Soldier, you're not much help. Do you get back from here? I don't know, honestly. Dude, I'm gonna go outside the map and I'm gonna, or should I inside the exit. Inside the exit. Never mind. But to get on top of the tank, we're gonna need 2 people for this, so, the next part, will be zoom. Okay, this is the right way. You would get behind that banner, but we got over here. And you can fall down that hole and get stuck, or you could go right here and go cha-ching, boom. Now we're outside the map. Part 2 is gonna be 1 like. I'm gonna do part 2 anyway. Bye-bye, guys.